Hi, and welcome to Hands-On at Home with the Peoria River Museum. My name is Holly, and I'm the Everyday Initiative and Groups Tours Coordinator, and today we're going to be making oobleck. The ingredients you need to make oobleck are water, a container to hold your water and cornstarch oobleck mixture, a spoon to stir with, cornstarch, and food coloring if you'd like to make colorful oobleck. To make oobleck, you're just going to put 1 part water in your container, and then you are going to do an equal part of cornstarch. I am using a 1/4 cup just to make it a little bit easier on myself to get the right texture, but oobleck doesn't really require exact measurements. You are looking for a specific slimy but gooey texture. It will be hard to the touch if you hit it, but soft if it is a slow moving touch. Just put that in there real fast. And then you can start to stir. So we're making a cornstarch water slurry, essentially. And this is going to combine together to make oobleck. That's still really watery, so we're just going to use a little bit more cornstarch. And again, we're looking for that tough yet soft texture. It's going to start getting difficult to break up the cornstarch that you add. You're just going to have to use a little bit of extra strength to make sure it is a even mixture. And add just a little bit more cornstarch, and then it should be good. At this point, when we have our cornstarch and water mostly mixed together, this is when you can add in your food coloring. Make it a nice color. It will be difficult to stir, but you will just have to use a little bit of force or be very patient as you stir. There we go, add our color. Now we'll stir at the top and gently and slowly fold everything over to get that color moved all the way through our oobleck. Now, as you can see, since I am moving my spoon around in this motion, that oobleck has both a liquid but also kind of a solid state. If you hit it like this, it is solid, and if you just gently rest, it'll behave like a liquid. That's because oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid is a fluid that doesn't obey Newton's laws of viscosity. The law of viscosity states that the fluid has a constant state that is independent of stress. So stress is defined as you doing something to the liquid. So let's say you're pouring water out of a water bottle, or you're going to hit water with your hand. Water is going to have a constant state regardless of what you're doing to it. Now, a non-Newtonian fluid changes depending on the force or stress that you put it under. So in oobleck's case, as you hit it or move very quickly with it, it acts more like a solid. But if you are gentle, it'll behave just like a liquid. There are lots of other non-Newtonian fluids that you can find in your home, including honey, ketchup, shampoo, toothpaste, paint, and custard. So every non-Newtonian fluid behaves differently. The important thing is it behaves differently under stress, unlike Newtonian fluids like water and milk. If you enjoyed this video, I would like to thank our Visionary Society, our members, and everyone else who supports the museum for supporting these videos and the activities that you can do